Hello, Children's House 1. With Mother's Day just around the corner, I was hoping we could do a little crafting together to make a card for our mothers. We are going to be cutting and gluing flowers to make a card. If you'd like to come over, I'll explain what we're going to do. These are the templates that we have sent you. If you have not received them, please email us and we'll send them again. You might be familiar with this shape. In class, we have a leaf cabinet, and this is the obovate shape. But all of the leaf shapes that we've worked with are symmetrical, and we could use any of those shapes as well. We will send you some information on all the shapes we talk about in class. We will be cutting along all of the solid lines. This hash mark is just to tell us where we will be folding. We will not be cutting along that line. I'm going to show you how to do some of the cutting, and then I'll leave you to the rest so that I can show you how to assemble it all. I recommend starting with the stems. Each of these rectangles will be a stem. We have 1, 2, 3 stems we'll be using. Watch. Scissors are very sharp. We never touch the blade. We only ever touch the handle. We have all 3 of our stems. Next, I recommend separating each of these obovate leaves. It's a little easier to manipulate smaller pieces of paper. We'll cut just between each of them. Once you have isolated one, we can cut it out. We have cut out leaf shapes before in class. we have one of our petals in the shape of an obovate. Once you have cut all 9 petals, your pot, and your stems, we will be ready to assemble. This will be our pot. And these are our stems. We'll start by gluing our stems onto the pot. You could also use a stapler if you do not have glue at home. It seems like I'm running out of glue, so I might have to use staplers as well. It's a little easier to decorate before you glue, but you could also just wait until your glue dries to decorate. We have our stems. Now we're ready to start assembling with our petals. I think we're all working with limited resources at the moment. We will also be attaching 2 more petals to our first one. We'll start by folding this in half and smoothing. And we'll glue one side to attach to the petal. Try to superimpose it right over the first petal. And we'll do the same with another one. And this one will go on this side of the petal. So we'll glue right here. And this way, it makes it seem like the flower is three-dimensional. We'll do the same for the other two stems. Just a couple more to go. And this will go on this side. So we'll have to glue this side. We have another flower. Kind of looks like a tulip that's about to bloom. We'll try our best to superimpose it just on this side. We have our three flowers. And we'll fold this in half to help it make it look like a pot. Now, I recommend letting it dry before you do any coloring. In fact, I recommend before you assemble to color. There is enough space for you to write Mom and for you to decorate the inside. Thank you so much for joining me. We are missing you all very much, and I'm missing my mom. I'm excited to decorate this and go drop it in her mailbox and maybe give her a wave as well and blow her a kiss. Love you, Mom. I hope to see you all very soon. Bye.